Hey there guys, welcome you all to my channel. I'm Sneha and today we are gonna do this look which I'm wearing right now. This is a day night combo look. You can wear this wherever you want, whenever you want, and the plus point is this is a glam look as well as a equivalent look. You can wear this look to market because it's not harshening, and this look is perfect for if you are a beginner in makeup just like me. Then this look is really a help to those girls. Okay, stay tuned, and if you want to look how to create this look, stay in the video.
Okay, now first I'm gonna start moisturizing my face. For that, I'm using Nivea Soft, and it's a very good moisturizer. I'm using Nivea since I was a teeny mini tiny girl, and moisturizing is very important and essential part of makeup. Now, number second is primer. I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel as I believe for 1 to 2 hour aloe vera gel is kinda help, and all the product I'm using over here are quite affordable and anyone can afford them, and yeah, they are quite easy to use too. Now I'm blending the primer all over my face so that no place left out. Now blend, 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 massage it thoroughly and make it even. Now number third is the foundation. Now I'm not a very big foundation fan, so I'm using the Lakmé Perfecting foundation. Okay, now as you can see, it doesn't have any pump or any spatula. It's kind of messy when it comes out. You can see in my expressions. Okay, so now taking out the foundation, I'm gonna spread that thing evenly on my face, in cheeks area. First I'll spread the foundation nicely, and after that I'm gonna blend it. So I'm gonna take the brush and blend it out. So blend, blend, blend. Again, the procedure start. Now, while blending the foundation, you must keep one thing in your mind, that you blend in a certain way. Don't go back and just mess it out. Just in one direction you need to go and blend the whole process. So you can see I'm going from bottom to top like that. Okay. Now blend that out nicely. Okay. Now I have blended all over my face very nicely, you can see. Now next I'm going to use my concealer stick, that is the Neon concealer stick. It has many shades. My shade is 01, and I'm just going to apply first in my under eyes, on eyelid, and some on my forehead, some on my nose. After that I'm gonna blend this thing also well. If you have a sponge then it's kind of easy, but I prefer using brush and blending all the harsh lines out. Okay, now this is my shade is 01. If you are fair to British, there are 1 to 4 shades over there you can choose, and it's available in your near drugstore. So I'm gonna blend this thing very properly because harsh lines of concealer looks very weird. So blending this thing properly from my eyelids. Okay, after that blend it properly. So you know what, sometimes I think the blending work is very boring and it takes quite a long time, so I don't prefer using a concealer or a foundation. For me, a BB or a CC cream just works the right. Now next I'm gonna use my Revlon compact. I'm gonna use the honey shades for my face, so I'm just covering all the thing with the honey shade. Okay, filling all the parts of my face with the compact powder, and it's my favorite step because it just hold the makeup perfectly. Like if you apply a perfect compact on your face which is right, like right off your shade, you don't need to use any kind of setting spray, or if it's not like though very pro, but it works. The powder, loose powder works. It helps in your sweat proof makeup and make your makeup more stabilized. It's kind of good tool. So I prefer using more compact powder on my skin to set my makeup like some to 4 to 5 hours, and it keeps a hold from 4 to 5 hours and gives me a very good coverage. It like blurs all my marks. I don't have more marks on my skin, but it still blurs them out and gives me a very perfect shade. Okay, it hides my redness also. So I like to blend all the things properly. As I told you, blending is so very boring. I don't like blending things out. But next is like lips. So I want to moisturize my lips. Every time I wear lipstick, I moisturize my lips because I like the matte lipsticks more, and it like tends to dry out my lips. So Nivea soft moisturizers are like lipsticks are very nice. Okay, now my eyebrows. As you can see, I don't have that dense eyebrows, so I fill it with my Oriflame the one kajal. Now when you are using black, you need to be very precise and you need to go with light hands so you don't like gross it up. So I use very light hands, and now I'm gonna use this brush to like set my eyebrows very perfectly. I just fill in them because it already have a high arch shape, and I just fill it up and it's done. I like to use eyebrow pencil every time. It just makes it so nice. Now this is my lip shade from Elle lip pops. Okay, this looks nice. I'm going to use the liquid highlighter. Well, I'm not very pro with the liquid highlighter, but still I prefer this shade is gonna suit for this tutorial, so I use the liquid highlighter. Now again the blending work, blend. Now liquid highlighters blend very easy. It doesn't take. Okay, now blend all the things very properly from lower to upside. Stress that. And after that, now time for eyeshadows. I'm gonna use my MAC palette. Actually, it's total shimmery palette. It's for like glam parties and all those things. It cost me rupees some 2 to 3,000. I didn't remember right now. I'll mention in description box. I'm gonna use a cool tone brown shade. Okay, now let me load the cool tone brown shade on my brush, and now I started. Today I'm not gonna break or cut crease or anything like that. I'm just simply gonna apply that on both of my eyes, on both of my eyelids, and just spread that equally. When you have shimmer eyeshadow, you don't need to work that much. Just apply it and you're good to go. Now time for my next one. Over under, and done. Okay, now there's a little bit more, I guess. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, let me spread it nicely. Okay, it's done now. Now we're gonna, the look is done.
That's all for today. Now, bye.